Welcome back, Falcons. Today we have tons of news for you and an interview done by our very own Mario Betancourt. So let's not waste any more time and get right into today's VSPN. Now, for our lunch menu for today, we have chunky chicken nugs and ketchup, pepperoni pizza, and PB and Jamwich. Yum. Cats.
Listen to this sick news, Falcons. Cinco de Mayo is coming up real soon. In order to celebrate such a monumental day, the school is hosting its own Cinco de Mayo party. There will be treats, dancing, and you guessed it, taco trucks. This will be all on Monday, May 5th. So make sure you bring your dinero with you. Dinero means money, just in case you didn't know.
Just as a reminder for all you library literature lovers, the library is closed for both lunches once again today. And don't forget, all library books are due May 5th.
Attention Falcons, there is an NHS meeting next Wednesday, May 7th. There will be a meeting at 8 a.m. before school in the library. Now that's pretty diddly darn dope if you ask me. Guess what, folks? We got an exclusive interview with Mario. He will be talking to some seniors and discussing their high school experience. Take it away.
All right, boys and girls, we're back at it with a VSPN interview. I am Mario Betancourt. I'm here with
Alejandro.
Nestor.
Avery Bailey.
You are a senior this year, correct?
Yes, I am.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What could you say has been your favorite memory of your high school experience?
So my favorite memory was probably in Avid. We went on a field trip together. It was for like around 3 days, and we all just had like a great time together.
My grades.
Football games and like the sporting aspect. Yeah, just being able to do like extracurriculars and like socially being with friends.
So some advice for them is to not procrastinate, do things on time.
Just do what you gotta do and put that smile on your face. It might get hard, but hey man, do the work.
My advice I would give is to just like try your best to have fun and like, cause it's gonna be over like as soon as like before you even know it. And then you have to like face the real world and being an adult. So yeah, just try and have fun and realize that like it's a lot of the school's not that hard.
I think some people need to hear that. All right, thank you. Thank you for your time.
All right, that was awesome. To all you tennis fanatics, we have a home match today at 4:30 p.m. So make sure to pull up. It's against Middleton, so you're gonna see some very fine tennis.
Good. Keep on. Keep reading.
Come support our awesome Falcons.
Attention bat enthusiasts. Yesterday, our boys varsity baseball team smashed Columbia with a score of 11-1. Today, our boys are going against Nampa High and are looking to beat these Bulldogs on our home field. Falcons, make sure to pull up and support our insane bat enthusiasts.
Our softball girls are headed to Middleton High this weekend on Saturday. It's their district tournament, so make sure to wish them good luck. And go support our fellow Falcons.
Remember, cheer tryouts are today after school at 4 p.m. Tryouts will be hosted in the main gym, so try your best, Falcons.
If you need to recover any credits, this is for you. Summer school will have 2 sessions, a 4-week session in June and a 3-week session in July. The classes will be held at Summit View Middle School. You have the options to attend either one session or both sessions, your choice. If you're interested, make sure to stop by the counseling office and pick up a summer school form to fill out.
Attention Falcons, for those of you who don't know, the school year is coming to an end, and those of you who have fees won't be able to graduate or B, get a yearbook. Oh, those fees could be coming from your lunch accounts, and if you don't know where to check, go to Infinite Campus. Make sure you pay those fees.
Attention Falcons, this is the end of our VSPN for the day, but we will be back on Monday. We hope you enjoyed today's VSPN. And remember,
no PDA.